All right, so we're going to continue with how to find the missing angle, and today is just a little bit different from part one. So in part one, you were only given 2 angles, so you only had one place to start, but today you're going to be given 3 or more angles, so it's going to be up to you. So step 1 is choose 2 angles. Step 2, this is the hard part for us where we're going to practice. You need to decide if they're supplementary or congruent. And then today we're not going to solve the equations, we're just going to practice writing them. So step 3 is you need to write the correct equation. So I'm going to go through the think about it with you, and then you'll start trying them out on your own. So for the think about it, they're telling you these lines are parallel, you've got a transversal. It's asking you to find the measure of the angle with the missing question mark, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to write the equation. First thing I want you to do is label all of the angles with a 1 or a 2. So all the 1s are going to be equal to each other, and all the 2s are going to be equal to each other. So this is 1, 2. On the bottom, it's backwards. 2, 1. Down here, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 1, this is a 2. So if there's a 1 there, that means it's equal to everything else that has a 1. So if I want to be able to solve for x, I'm going to pick 2 equations that are equal to each other, that means congruent, or I'm going to pick 2 angles that equal 180 that are supplementary. I think it's easier to write congruent ones, so I'm going to see if I have enough information to do that. So I have this one, that's a 1, and this is a 1. So since they're equal, I'm going to write the first one, 4n plus 100, and I'm going to set it equal to the other one, which is 10n plus 40. That's one equation you can write. If you pick a 1 and a 2, so say I choose these 2, those are going to be supplementary. That means you're going to add those 2 angles together. So this is another equation you could write and solve. I don't like these because look how much longer that is. But either one, you'll be able to solve for n. So you're going to go to the next problem, the interaction with new material, and you're going to try to write an equation that works. And then you'll check the video to see if you did it right.